Hey everyone, welcome back to One More Guru. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on the spell checker in Outlook so you can catch typos and grammar mistakes before sending your emails. There are actually two ways to enable spell checking. Some browsers have their own built-in spell checker that you can toggle on or off. But Outlook also has its own internal spell and grammar checker. Let's go through it step by step. Start by composing a new email. Then click on More Options in your message window. Scroll down and select Editor to customize your editor settings. Here, you'll find options for autocorrect, auto-capitalization, spelling, and grammar. Make sure to turn on the features you want. Spelling is the key one, but enabling grammar and auto-corrections can also help polish your emails. If you want advanced refinements like clarity, conciseness, or formality, Outlook also offers premium options. But the main essentials, grammar, spelling, auto-capitalization, and autocorrect, are all available here. Once you've enabled them, press OK. From that point on, Outlook will underline mistakes with a red line, and you can click on it to make corrections easily. And that's it. You now know how to activate and use the spell checker in Outlook. If this guide helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned to One More Guru for more easy tech tips and tutorials.